Hello all. Today we are going to look at how to make a torchlight circuit similar to a rechargeable torchlight. Let's look at the circuit we have over here. So this circuit consists of a reflector panel, a LED, okay, and there's a conductor board which connects the positive and negative to the LED which is inside. Alright, that's why we get that beam. And here we have the main panel. Before the main panel, I want to show the charging port. So this one is the charging port, and you will always have a small adapter kind of thing which will be poking out over here. So that would be the charger which goes inside the charging pole. So this is the one I'm talking about. So this charging pins, these pins will be inserted like this. There are some joints which lock it into place. Okay, so over here we only have positive and negative, no ground. So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Next we have the battery. So this is the battery inside of the torch. So this battery is rechargeable. It's rechargeable because only reason it's rechargeable is because of this one port. If there is no port, you have to keep replacing batteries like a normal torch. Then next we have an LED panel. So this LED panel has 12 LEDs. So these are also connected to the main board. So let us see the components in the main board. Okay, now we have cleared it. As you can see, these are the components in the main board. We have an I'll show you close to the camera. Okay, so this one is an inductor, and there are some different type of resistors than the resistors we used. Okay, these two resistors are connected to the LED panel over here, this LED panel, and the other resistor over here is connected to the LED bulb which is over here. Next we have two other ICs and another two ICs which these two ICs, first two are for the LEDs and the second two are for the charging port and the battery. The third one, let us see, this is a type of like rectifier. Alright, then we have an LED switch over here. This LED is not a switch. LED is a light emitting diode. So this shows whenever it is on charge and whenever it is not on charge. And this is a three-way switch. Alright. So first, so in this switch there are no inputs and two outputs. So this is neutral. When you switch the switch to your left, the LED bulb will start burning. Meanwhile, you switch it to neutral, then right, the LED panel will start lighting up. Now let us make a circuit similar to this. Okay, now as you can see, the circuit only has the main panel, the charging port, and the battery, and I have soldered the LED panel and the LED bulb out. So these two are called the load. Okay. Next step, first step, we are going to take our breadboard and make a similar connection of this panel over here. Alright, okay, so over here, as you can see, I have soldered out the LED bulb from the main circuit. Alright, so now we will keep the main circuit aside. So in the main circuit, you can see we have some resistors, inductor, etc., and some small components. So in the, we are going to use some of the components other than inductor and any resistors and make the circuit glow. Alright, so now we are going to connect this to our, we are going to connect the LED bulb to our circuit. Alright, so now we are connecting it. Okay, then to negative. Now we will connect the LED bulb to the positive terminal. Next we are going to take our battery and place a battery holder on it. After placing the battery holder, or you can also use a crocodile clip for this process. So you take this crocodile clip and connect it to the both sides of the, let me show you on camera. Alright, so you take the battery, put it over here, and now you again connect it again. After connecting it, we will be connecting into the positive terminal and negative terminal. Okay, like this. So we'll connect to this port. Wait, where's our load? Our load is the bulb. So we take the bulb, we connect it here, and we take the other end and connect it here. Alright, now we take this small cable and connect it over. So you first connect this one in the front, the load in the front, and the source in the back. Alright, so now as you can see, we have connected the source in the front and the load at the back. Now let us test it out. Okay, we are going to connect the whole thing together. As you can see, we have made the LED glow. Now let's change the LED the LED bulb to the LED panel. Alright, so we take the panel, we do the same process. Okay, we connect the we take this tiny thing and poke it over here, and the another point next to it. Okay, the circuit should be something like this, and now we will test this out. Okay, so first we are going to connect to the positive terminal. One second. Okay, and next we are going to connect it to the negative terminal. Okay, if you want to increase the amount of brightness, we would remove one resistor. So if we remove one resistor, you can see the brightness increased a little bit. So the lesser the number of resistors, the greater the number of brightness. Okay, thank you.